All right, guys, Levi here, Foxbridge Slabs, milling a ton of stuff today. This next log, let me go get a tape measure while I'm talking. This next log, I honestly have no idea what we're gonna get out of it. I'm gonna turn the camera around and show you guys this log. All right, here we go. We've got a hole in this log. So if this log did not have a hole in it, not exactly sure what the diameter is off the top of my head, so we're gonna measure it. We'd be at 21-inch diameter. Definitely narrows quite a bit. I remember measuring the crotch, and the crotch is about 30-inch diameter. I think that we'll get probably 3 2-inch thick slabs out of this, 2 nice ones anyway. The problem is, when I say nice, you know, they'll be 2 inches thick. You can see right here there's a hole. I'm pretty sure that's hollow. I'm pretty sure at points it's hollow all the way through here. I think we're gonna have some nice wood in this log, but we're gonna be fighting a lot of bug damage. I absolutely still think it's worth milling, so we're gonna get the saw started. We're gonna do the first cut with my Stihl MS 661, and we will do the rest of the slabbing with my Stihl MS 881. Let's get to it. Pretty happy with this log. I thought I was going to have a lot more hollowness towards the middle than I did. This first slab should have been the nicest slab, but my first cut was terrible. The ladder moved, I didn't realize it was twisted, I had to fix it. And so we've got 2 inches thick most of the way through, and then it gets thinner on this side, which is disappointing, but that's chainsaw milling, and that stuff happens. You've got to learn from it, that it's going to make you better. You can't get frustrated. Overall, I still have a really nice slab. There's some really nice figure in the crotch. This is going to be amazing paired with some epoxy. This is the most bug damaged section, but a solid 2-inch thick slab. Easy fix with epoxy. Same here. You could cut that off, you could fill it with epoxy. The rest of it would make an incredible coffee table. And then one more 2-inch thick slab over here. So like I said, some unique shapes, some nice grains. This is a pretty decent log. Not even close to the best walnut that I've ever milled, but it's nice. So again, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. Like the video, share it with your friends. I would love to keep making videos for you guys. See you next video.